In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your logo into any realistic material with Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a flat logo and render it as a lifelike physical object, complete with texture, reflections, and professional product photo quality. First, open Gemini. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the main workspace. Next, click the plus icon to start a new session. This is where we'll bring in your logo. Choose Upload File and locate your image on your device. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually works best, but any clear, high-quality version of your logo will do. Once your file is in, click Tools to access to Gemini's creative features, then choose Create Image. This opens the prompt area where we'll tell Gemini exactly how to transform the logo. You can type your own prompt or copy the exact one I'm about to read. If you copy it, replace the bracketed words with your choices, for example, swap sunset for the specific material or aesthetic you want, like chrome, marble, or carbon fiber, and change sheet white to your preferred background color if needed. Here's the prompt. Transform the provided logo into a photorealistic sunset version where the form, edges, and structure naturally adapt to the material's inherent physical properties, ensuring soft materials display organic flowing shapes with rounded edges, while rigid materials maintain sharp, defined angles, all rendered with authentic surface textures, including accurate reflectivity, roughness, and natural variations in 8K UHD resolution using physically based rendering, floating suspended in mid-air against a pure, white background with no shadows, professional DSLR quality capturing intricate material-specific details like grain patterns, surface flow characteristics, or structural formations, HDR color grading with hyper-detailed imperfections such as micro-scratches or weathering that add authenticity, shot with high-end product photography aesthetics for clean e-commerce quality, results that appear as a tangible physical object, behaving exactly as that material would. In reality, paste that into Gemini, customize the bracketed parts thoughtfully, and keep the rest as is for best results. The detailed phrasing helps Gemini understand realism, lighting, and surface behavior, so you get a true-to-material outcome instead of something flat or stylized. Now wait patiently while Gemini processes your prompt. Because this request targets 8K, physically based rendering with fine imperfections, it may take a little longer than usual. Let it finish without switching tabs if you can. That helps avoid accidental interruptions. That's it. Follow these steps exactly and your logo will look like a real object, photographed in a studio with the precise material qualities you envisioned.